How to use L-arginine to improve inflammation and health. Arginine, or L-arginine, is an amino acid, building block of protein, that is normally made in the body. Taken as a supplement, it seems to help with many conditions, especially those benefiting from less inflammation and improved circulation. How does it work? L-arginine is converted in the body into a chemical called nitric oxide. Nitric oxide causes blood vessels to open wider for improved blood flow. L-arginine also stimulates the release of human growth hormone, insulin, and other substances in the body. Nitric oxide relaxes the blood vessels, allowing blood to flow. Viagra, Cialis and Levitra work by action of nitric oxide, for example. It is indicated that L-arginine promotes stimulation of nitric oxide, which helps support blood flow, vascular functions and intramuscular circulation. Disclaimer: these supplements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. The product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure or prevent any disease. As a food supplement, not as a miracle drug, it needs a sustained and continuous period of time for the user to see certain improvements, as structural changes, though some effects may be experienced soon. Consider taking arginine for cardiovascular benefits plus many more. The list is from WebMD.com, plus the quotations are from NIH. Govmedline Bliss, as studies show that it might ease the symptoms and help improve migraine, headaches, blood flow, erectile dysfunction, ED, increase erection of male sex organ, when combined with other supplements such as yohimbine. It is also used as a cream for sexual problems in both men and women. Speed up wound healing. Apply L-arginine to the skin to speed wound healing and for increasing blood flow to cold hands and feet, especially in people with diabetes. Also, lessen recovery time after surgery. Taking L-arginine with added ribonucleic acid, RNA, and icosapentaenoic acid, EPA, before surgery or afterwards seems to help reduce the recovery time, reduce the number of infections, and improve wound healing after surgery. Peripheral arterial disease, cramping, pain and weakness in the legs associated with blocked arteries, called intermittent claudication, partial blockage, as in calves, recurrent pain, during walking, relieved by a short rest, reoccurs when exercising again. Congestive heart failure. Taking L-arginine along with usual treatment seems to help eliminate extra fluids that are a problem in congestive heart failure. General health with heart failure. Angina, improved effect of nitroglycerin pills. Taking L-arginine seems to decrease symptoms and improve exercise tolerance and quality of life in people with angina. But L-arginine doesn't seem to improve the underlying heart disease itself. Immune boosting effect. Herpes simplex virus, with extra lysine. Ask your doctor whether you should increase the ratio of lysine to your dose of arginine to help prevent the recurrence of symptoms associated with herpes simplex virus. Kidney inflammation. Assists kidney function after a transplant of patients also taking cyclosporine. Bladder inflammation. Taking L-arginine seems to improve symptoms, but it may take up to 3 months of treatment to see improvement. Decrease wasting away caused by HIV/AIDS, when used with hydroxymethylbutyrate, HMB, and glutamine. This combination seems to increase body weight, particularly lean body mass, and improve the immune system.